Understanding Termite Barrier, an essential guide for homeowners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and practical phrase, termite barrier. If you're interested in home maintenance or just curious about this term, you're in the right place. Let's dive into what a termite barrier is and why it's important. Before we understand what a termite barrier is, it's essential to know about termites. Termites are small insects that feed on wood. They can cause significant damage to homes and buildings by eating through wooden structures. Understanding termites is key to appreciating the importance of a termite barrier. Now, let's focus on the term termite barrier. A termite barrier is a method or system designed to prevent termites from entering and damaging a building. There are different types of termite barriers, including physical barriers made of metal or other materials, and chemical barriers that use insecticides to repel or kill termites. In this section, we'll explore the different types of termite barriers. 1. Physical barriers. These are installed during the construction of a building. They are made from materials that termites cannot chew through. 2. Chemical barriers. These involve applying a chemical to the soil around a building. The chemical either repels termites or kills them if they try to cross it. A termite barrier is crucial for protecting a building from termite damage. Without a proper barrier, termites can cause serious structural damage, which can be costly to repair. It's an essential consideration for homeowners and property managers. Maintaining and inspecting termite barriers is important. Over time, barriers can degrade or become less effective. Regular inspections by professionals are recommended to ensure that the barrier is intact and functioning correctly. Thank you for joining us to learn about termite barriers. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this important aspect of home maintenance. Remember, protecting your home from termites is crucial, and a good termite barrier is a key part of that protection. See you in our next video.